Hi!
Hi!
Today I got special present for my teacher. No, let's see.
Okay, why teacher give you present?
Because my birthday.
Oh, okay. Wow, special book. Show your friend what's that? Wow, Christmas present.
Wait, you also have the same one in the back.
Yes. What's that? Wow! Wow, my teacher give you a lot of cow. This is the number 1. This is
But
the
this is
number
the new one, that's the
2.
2025.
This is the number 3. Wow! What do you say to teacher?
Thank you, teacher.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
What a special
For the
book.
special gift. Wait. Oh. Wait, this is